So how do you set size in iPad's screen recording? Let's get into it. If you're new to the channel, don't hesitate and subscribe because you don't want to miss the next tutorials. Now, you cannot really do it beforehand, but you can do it afterwards, right? So you can perform your regular screen recordings as usual, but once you are done, you can go to the Photos app and locate that particular video. You can click on the edit button, and then we have the crop tool, which lets you basically just crop the screen recording as much as you like, and you can end up in any aspect ratio, right? You can even turn the screen recording into a vertical one. Whatever you gotta do, you can of course zoom in as well, and you will end up with a, completely different screen recording in terms of the size, right? So this is how you're gonna change the size. So again, you cannot really set it beforehand, but you can do it afterwards inside of the Photos edit mode. But if you need a little bit more editing tools, I recommend people to explore some different video editors like the CapCut, for example, where as well you can of course do the same thing which you can do in the Photos app plus more. Like you can add some transitions, like you can just zoom in gradually, zoom out, do whatever you gotta do, but it's much more extensive compared to the just built-in solution. But it all works, so it's up to you to pick whichever option you need. That's gonna be about it from me. Let me know what you think about that below. Hit the thumbs up, and I hope I can catch you in the future tutorials.